Tere and hello. My name is Loore and I am one of the tutors here in Tallinn Summer School in St. Petersburg, ITMO University. The course is taking place in the framework of ESTONIA100 celebrations, and the name of the course is Experimental Interaction Design. Now I would like to invite you to meet the students and to see what their projects are about.
Our project is about how viewers can influence the show, and we want to make them participants of the performance, and we want they to rule the light on the stage.
We have a project about changing emotions and how people influence to each other with their body, with body language. Each person is kind of experiment, and we are interested in the result also. But in any case, it will be a good result because we can know how to do the end like we want. It's like kind of discovering how people exchanging their emotions, and if positive emotions from the one person can be connected with negative emotions to another, and how they will exchange the state of their emotions.
In general, we would like to achieve the main topic to sync art and science, and we're thinking about the singularity. We think that it's possible to achieve singularity not only by technical means, but by extension of maybe human mind or its cognitive qualities. And also we think, for instance, that a human in post-epoch, kind of post-human, should share all or accept all the experience of the world, like any experience. And so our performance is about this, about sharing experience and accepting this.
We will try to experiment using human and computer technology to generate poetry in a stressful situation. And that's enough.